Alright guys, I think I'm recording. It is July 23rd, I think. And as you can see, I have a couple buddies with me, all on some groms. We are going to a cycle show, some motorcycle show in Montgomeryville, which is past King of Prussia, if you know like where that is, you know the area. So we're going to a show, and I wanted to make a vlog because my boy here, Justin, he also does MOTOVLOGs, and I met him. He lives in Philly. I met him on the Grom Facebook page. Yeah, we're like right outside Philly. So I met both these guys. Dan over there in the yellow Grom went with me before to another ride, and then this is our second ride going to like an actual cycle show. We met this guy. He drove up from Philly, so it's cool that he actually came up here to ride with us. We're like passing through Norristown. It's not good. You just dropped it.
You alright, brother?
I'm good. I'm on you. I think I got that.
Here, I'm gonna take it right here.
Alright. No, they're small motorcycles.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. How fast can you go?
It's like 60. Hey, you're good.
These are.
Like 63, 65.
Really?
Yeah, we were on 202.
You got a register like a motorcycle?
Yeah. Yep.
Not, you might still be good.
I have a motorcycle. Just off the top of your head.
I got you. I can put the back tag on your front.
I think 3,200. Yeah, brand new.
I let him No, I would have done that.
No, but I'm...
Well, that was interesting. Justin just wheelied and laid down his Grom. I hope we got that good clip, but that was reckless. Holy shit. I've never seen someone drop a bike before. Like, that's nuts. I'm meeting another friend. I used to be like best friends with his brother in middle school, and he has a Grom, and he was on the Facebook page, and I couldn't even believe, like, it was such a small world. 63, baby, 63! Oh, 64, that might be my max. Woo! Damn, dude. 66, oh god, I'm out of the 70. 68, not doing it, not doing it. Yeah, buddy.
It's like the Hells Angels that rolled into town.
We get better fuel miles.
You know what? I might get better than you. What do you give us? I get 85 on that.
There he is. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how about you?
Pretty good.
Hey, Justin, what's up, man? Ryan. Yeah, I seen you guys fly by. I'm like, I think that was them. Seen him on the way up on his rocket.
Oh yeah? That thing's sick. I need a ruckus now.
Trying to sell it.
Who? He is? What's up, man? Is this yours?
Yeah.
I like it.
And this one's busted off because I fucking dropped.
He wheelied and laid it over on the way up here. I have it on video. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. Alright, we left that little show. We're going back to my boy's house. Got some Groms out today. This guy is nuts, man. Justin, if you're watching this, you're a nutcase. He was just Superman on his bike. His legs were back, and it was the most absurd thing I've ever seen in my life. He's Superman! Oh my god! Oh shit! That's insane! Yo!
Grommet, baby, grommet, baby, grommet, baby, grommet. Grommet, baby, grommet, baby, grommet, baby, grommet.
He just turned his bike off. Oh shit! That was reckless. I almost fell. I almost fucking fell. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna cut it short. This is gonna be like literally a 10-minute moto vlog. We talked to a bunch of people. We saw my friend crash. I mean, it was pretty entertaining, to be honest. So thank you guys for watching. The rest of the time, I'm just gonna record and see if anything cool happens. If not, if something cool happens, I'll put it in. But we're gonna go back, fix this guy's peg, maybe get some grub, and call it a day. So thank you guys for watching. @Tort60s, Instagram and Twitter. I'm gonna put the links down below if you guys want to check it out. If not, go fuck yourself. Yo, I want to give a shout out to Capamura too. Yo, you need to come over and ride, man. Screw Jersey, screw Bruce Springsteen, and you need to come over here. All right, you're on the dark side. Come here, we'll moto vlog. Maybe I'll come to that meet with these guys. Who knows? It's a little far, but I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out. You.